Being curious about emotional health. Emotional health is how we think and how we feel. Many young people or teenagers suffering from this condition. Like us, let us make an example of ourselves. The most common problem of today's youth is depression. And what depression means to others.
Yung depression, gawa-gawa lang ng mga tao yan. Gawa nila sa sarili nila.
Oo, dinidepress nyo lang yung sarili nyo, tapos nagkakaroon ng sakit.
Pero hindi biro yun yung depression.
Oo, hindi.
Bakit?
Bakit?
Eh, kasi syempre marami nakakaranas na gano'n, lalo na sa mga kabataan. Kaya dapat
Totoo.
kapag merong nakakaranas na gano'n, bigyan natin ng support.
Moral support.
Hindi.
Kasi mahirap
Huwag
din
nyo
to.
supportahan. Gawa-gawa lang niya.
Oo. It's all in the mind.
At what point po makikita na ang mental health condition ng anak mo, life-threatening na pala?
As it was said before, emotional health is about how we think and feel. If they thinking they can, let them know you care and listen to them. Accept them as they are, without judging them. Gently encourage them to help themselves by staying physically active and doing things they enjoy.
Depression is hard to deal. Do something that can make your life enjoyable and joyful.
Huwag kang nagpapakalugmok sa isang gilid.
Isipin mo masasayang bagay para gumana ang iyong nararamdaman. Be positive. Always stay positive. Iwasan ang negative thoughts. Emotional health is important into our lives. Protect ourselves into any kind of negative thoughts.